The answer to the question, what is the best thing to drink for your kidneys, is simple. Anyone with kidney problems or who is worried about getting kidney stones should drink a lot of clean water. Doctors recommend that someone who has a high risk of getting kidney disease or a history of kidney stones should drink at least 10 8-ounce glasses of water a day. As for kidney-friendly drinks besides water, several types of juice are good for the kidneys. They include cranberry juice and lemon or lime-based citrus juices. These not only taste good, but also naturally cleanse the kidneys. There are several kinds of tea that are highly recommended if you're looking for the top drinks for your kidneys. Hydrangea. Hydrangea is a gorgeous flowering shrub that protects against kidney damage, probably because of the antioxidant capabilities of the plant. Sambong. Sambong is a tropical climate shrub, common to countries such as the Philippines and India. Some drinks that are bad for kidneys may surprise you. Many popular smoothies are loaded with more calories, potassium, phosphorus, and fluid than a milkshake. The best smoothies for your kidneys include lower potassium fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or fresh apple. Skip or limit bananas, though, because they contain a lot of potassium. You might consider low potassium applesauce to thicken and sweeten the smoothie instead. Many people ask, can you drink protein shakes with kidney disease? Too much protein can damage kidney tissue. Simple soy or whey protein powders, often available in grocery or health food stores, are a good option, but make sure they include the least amount of added vitamins and minerals. You'll probably be surprised to learn that moderate wine consumption seems to be good for your kidneys and may also protect the heart in patients who already have kidney disease. This is according to recent research presented at a National Kidney Foundation meeting. Scientists found that people who drank up to 1 glass of wine a day had a 37% lower prevalence of chronic kidney disease than those who drank no wine at all. The goal of this video has been to provide quick, basic answers to the question, what is the best thing to drink for your kidneys? See the description section for links to more videos about kidney health, or subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified as new videos are created in the future.